paddle, boys. We want a tuna. We've changed up the bait. Come on, boys. Come on, the tuna's busting over here. Come on. Even though I like a tune, what is it? I think it's a tuna, it's gone down, but who knows? This looks gonna be under me now. Oh, that was big lightning ranches, bad.